The distance of closest approach of an alpha particle fired at nucleus with momentum p is r naught. The distance of closer approach when the alpha particle is fired at the same nucleus with momentum 2p will be. Now here, suppose that this is your nucleus and this is your alpha particle. Okay, so this is your alpha particle. So now this particle, I'm assuming that it is going like this. We know that if this has positive charge, because alpha particle is helium nucleus, so it has positive charge, and of course this nucleus will also have positive charge. That means in between joining line particle, this alpha particle has to stop. So this is now as said RC, which is said to be the distance of closest approach. So RC is distance of closest approach, right? So now in first case, in case 1, momentum is equal to p, right? So what I can apply, actually I can apply energy conservation. So if you apply energy conservation, then this distance is pretty far, so I can say this distance is infinite, almost in front of RC. So now I can apply U initial plus K initial is equal to U final plus K final. We know that in this case U initial is going to be K Q1 Q2 by infinite, obviously infinite separation, K initial. So first of all, we don't know the kinetic energy, so we know that K is equal to half mv square. If you write, you can also convert this segment like this, correct? Then you can write p square by 2m, because mv will become p. So from there I can clearly say that K is going to be p square by 2m. So I can substitute p square by 2m in this case, and where this mass is the mass of alpha particle, mass of alpha particle, correct? U final will be K Q1 Q2 divided by RC. We are approaching to the closest approach. Then K final, obviously instantaneously particle stops here, right? So that means V is going to be 0. So if you substitute the values, obviously you know that this is going to be 0. So p square by 2m is equal to K. What is the charge on alpha particle? It is 2e into, suppose that at nucleus is have Ze charge, then I can substitute here Ze divided by RC. Is that making some sense? And initially RC is equal to R naught in this case. So RC is equal to R naught as given in the question, correct? So I can assume this as equation number 1. Okay, if I utilize further this thing in case number 2, case second says momentum is equal to 2p now this time. So what do I observe? U initial plus K initial. So U initial is again 0, K initial will be p square, instead of p square this will be 2p square by 2m is equal to K Q1 Q2 by RC dash. So here we go, we can write this will be 4p square upon 2m is equal to K into Q1 is E 2e and this is Ze divided by, let's say RC dash is nothing else, we can assume RC dash itself. This is equation number 2. So finally we observe that equation number 1 is ready and equation number 2 is ready to give us the final solution. So what I have to do, let us divide. If you divide equation number 1 by 2, So let me divide 1 by 2. So if you divide 1 by 2, what do I get? I get p square divided by 2m divided by 4p square divided by 2m. So these are the LHS side. RHS is k into 2e into ze divided by r naught divided by, this is going to be k into 2e into ze divided by rc dash. So in order to solve this further, let me remove this now. We don't need it really now. So p square and p square is cancelled out, m and m is cancelled out, 2 cancelled out. So this side will give us 1 upon 4 is equal to k 2e k 2e ze. This is cancelled out. So we get finally rc dash divided by r naught. From this relation, rc dash is going to be r naught by 4, which is going to be the final answer. So distance of closest approach is going to be r naught by 4, which says option number 4. Okay.